this is some tri-state dedication to the craft.
I'm already crying, it's so cold.
Oh. Carl Lindbergh, gearing up for battle. I know it's hard to tell that it's him, but it is Carl Lindbergh underneath all this black rubber. You look just like a sea lion, bro.
Right here, man. Rockaway Beach. Woo!
Shakalaka! Hell yeah, how was it out there?
So, let's say 1 to 2 foot waves, snowy conditions after a snowstorm, but blue skies, offshore winds. And it was just an epic day. I mean, look at it. It was great. It was perfect.
Oh yeah. Rarely ever seeing the place snowed over like this at Rockaway Beach. Ow! See you next episode.